Hello friends, I am starting 14th Organized Self-Employment Ministry budget session, which is required for making right of pension fundamental right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget, preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed. Our constitutional life should be between 0 to 18 if required, and 18 to 58 years for one and all, by self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credits showing. Self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credits showing to certain ministry office, organized self-employment ministry and budget office is self-employment government job. For this, we will get fiscal credit salary. Half of the fiscal credit salary is pension. So throughout life we will get fiscal credit salary, and it will change into complete pension, that is at 18, 32, 46, 58 years. 18 years if we have shown between 0 to 18 years, and from 18 to 32 years what we have shown self-earning, self-income, certain cash, that pension will come in 32. And what we have shown between 32 to 46 year by self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, that will come in pension in 46. And what we have shown between 46 to 58 by self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, that will come in 58 years. I have made fiscal credit per month showing table by truth only terms. I am Amit Kumar Jha, Sardhapur Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. My book is Truth Only Trumps. This book, it is containing 218 pages, and it is explaining about six family drama of Hindu in the 6 unborn mandir form by the documents. You can purchase this book from me by calling 6397360717, and you can purchase this book also. This is written in 2001. This is the 20th edition. I am trying to explain this concept for organized self-employment ministry and budget for understanding, for a self-employment government job by which we can become self-employed, and we can work in private sector also and in government sector also, because this is self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing work, which is done through fiscal credit table. Senior organized self-employment ministry budget members are there who is directing us. We are working under organized self-employment ministry and budget documented system. That documented I am trying to produce from into the parliament, 750 MPs, 545 from the Lok Sabha and 250 from the Raj Sabha. That is 750 MPs and MLA, and in the state 4500 MLA and MLC. The documented path which I am trying to develop by the concept, it is a democratic path which is developing an organized setup of organized self-employment ministry and budget. I am explaining from Sardhapur Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. Let us take my 6th room, which is first room from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I and from the Governor House I, by putting in first room Shiv Puran, 12 Jyotir Mandir, and 16.66% Aadhaar card, 16.66% photo election ID card, 16.66% PAN card, 16.66% passport, and 16.66% marriage certificate, 16.66% employment, 16.66% Mangal Sutra, and We are the sons and daughters of Shiv Puran, Shiv Mandir, 12 Jyotirling as head, which I have recommended, moving toward Kailas Dham, and in documented form, we are entering into document path and becoming self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, organized, self-employed. Then from the second room, from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I and from the Governor House High, Vishnu Lakshmi, that is Prabhu Lakshmi, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Puran, live money. I have tried to make equilibrium with Shiv Shakti, then with Vishnu Lakshmi, Prabhu Lakshmi by the document system, which we will follow, seeing from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I, from the Governor House I in the state. 12 Jyotir Mandir of Vishnu Lakshmi, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Krishna, Krishna Radha Mandir, Ram Sita Mandir, and putting the document which will be stable with us. 12 Banarsi Sari, 12 Dhoti, in that also 12 Banarsi Sari, 12 Dhoti, here also 12 Banarsi Sari, 12 Dhoti, 16.66%, Aadhaar card 16.66%, photo election card 16.66%, PAN card 16.66%, passport 16.66%, marriage certificate, and 16.66% employment, private or government. Automatically we are moving toward Vaikunth Dham and Shiv Dham in organized way, and by organized self-employment ministry, all we are moving with documented path. Then third room, I have put Brahma Saraswati Puran, the ISBN Quran, the books which we are writing, for which we are seeking certificate. The books of Rabindranath Tagore, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, Narendra Modi, all MPs and MLAs, all the laureate, Vivekananda, Dayanand Saraswati, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi, all types of books, ISBN books, Dr. Raman, all types of Hindu books, ISBN, Premchand book, all types of books I am trying to put with the ISBN concept, Brahma Saraswati concept, 12 Banarsi Sari, 12 Dhoti, and 16.66%, Aadhaar card 16.66%, photo election ID card 16.66%, PAN card 16.66%, the various types of the Aadhaar card, and employment card 16.60%, marriage certificate, Mangal Sutra, and all. We have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I, the knowledge, enlightenment of knowledge by the book, Truth and Non-Violence, book of Bhimrao Ambedkar, all truth, non-violence in it. Then in fourth room, Adi Shakti Jagdamba, the Durga Sapsati and Devi Bhagwat, the women, Hindu women of India. 12 Jyotir Mandir, same process, 16.66%, Aadhaar card, 12 Banarsi Sari, 12 Banarsi Dhoti, 12 Banarsi Sari and 12 Dhoti, 12 Banarsi Sari and 12 Dhoti, 16.66%, Aadhaar card 16.66%, PAN card 16.66%, photo election ID card 16.66%, passport 16.62%, marriage certificate 16.66%, employment which we are getting. Moving toward Adi Shakti Jagdamba Dham, living in the organized way towards the direct ministry condition. Then from the fifth room, I have tried to set the Varshkrit, the Mithila Varshkrit and all the Varshkrit, because we Hindus have different types of Varshkrit, and in that book, Shuri, Suryadi, Panchdeva, Navagrah, Dhanvantri, Kuber, Dasudikpal, many types of god and goddess are there, Sankadi Muni, Saptarishi, Dhruv, Indra, all types of god and goddess are there. Truth and non-violence, saviors of Hindu religion. Same process, 12 Banarsi Sari, 12 Dhoti, and 16.66% Aadhaar card, 16.66% photo election card, 16.66% PAN card, 16.66% passport, 16.66% marriage certificate, 16.66% the employment which we are doing in private sector or in government sector. Then from 20 into 5, because 100% concept already they are. all these book are moving toward Kailasam, Vaikundam, Saddam, Adishakti, Jagdamba Dham, Varshkanti. I have tried to join it, and then by making organized self-employment ministry by document blessings. 20 into 5, 16.66%, taking out from this, putting in the Indian Constitution and Parliament, RBI, bureaucracy, army, police, secretariat, university, press, 12 Jyotir work of our government, which has developed the truthness in Hindus. All documents we are putting, and indulging in 12 Banarsi sari, 12 dhoti, 16.66%, Aadhaar card 16.66%, PAN card 16.66%, photo election card 16.66%, the marriage certificate, and 16.66% employment. By this, I have tried to mix it. Develop into concept of Amit Kumar Jha organized self-employment ministry and budget, and seeing the working setup of this. One is industrial work, one is politician work, one is the educationist legal work, one is the family work, one is the truth and non-violence work, and one is the government work. We have to acknowledge this, and seeing from the Rashtrapati Bhavan eye, from the Governor House eye, we have to develop the documented concept, and then we have to divide the employment by signing self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office as self-employment government job, fiscal credit per month, self-earning, self-work showing credit table I have made. By that, fiscal credit will generate by the becoming the vote bank, because we will work in the organized self-employment ministry and budget, and we will be linked to the parliamentarians, 750 parliamentarians, 4,500 MLA and MLCs, and by the document path we will move towards organized way all over India with central level organized self-employment ministry and budget, and state government organized self-employment ministry and budget of all these states. According to our liking, we can take the connection. If we want to take the connection of the state, we will be state employee, and if we want to take the connection of the central government, we will be central only. There will be self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, finance commission. This all can be generated by your trust and faith, by purchasing this book, by understanding the concept, and by regularly playing this drama on 16th February to 26th February by making the idol 6th unborn family, which we are the sons and daughters, and 31st August to 11th September by making the pair idol form. Automatically you will study truth only terms. We all will develop the organized self-employment ministry concept, and we will become self-employed. We can work with the private sector also, because optional setup is there, because it is the covering of the self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing by the fiscal credit table per month showing fiscal credit table which I have made. The trust and faith which we are generating in the book and the writing of me, Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, automatically will generate, because this organized self-employment ministry in budget 14th session is devoted to make you understand that if we start acknowledging that yes, our one work, one income, one educational certificate can be organized by the document, it will not run. What we will write to the parliamentarian and Vidhan Sabha by signing, they will understand that we want to work with them. An organized setup will develop a Rashtrapati Bhavan type concept on the central level in 6 way, and 6 governor house concept on the regional, local and state level. And in that way, we will become connected with the Chief Minister and Prime Minister, and they can transfer us in the house, because the documents are showing us the dignity of our civilization, the prosperity of our civilization. And by house method, we will be changing to the Kailash Dham, to the Vaikunth Dham, to the Saddham, to the Adi Shakti Jagdamba Dham, and to the each united God and Goddess Dham, and to the government Dham in a democratic manner. And we can live a congenial life. Right of educational certificate will be capital value. So we will try to study more, because each certificate will have the value in organized self-employment ministry budget system by the document method. It will be connected to preamble wise organized employed and preamble wise organized self-employment number. I have tried to explain it on the basis of the general requirement of the people of India in 2001. This is 2021, moving towards its 15th session, and I am trying to explain it in a very clear documented manner, so that we all do not face any types of problem. It is a democratic book. It is a democratic book which is trying to explain that our efforts can generate a regular income. We have Aadhaar card from 18 years. We have Aadhaar card from the 1 years only. We have photo election identity card from 18 years. We have to develop a self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing self-employment government job. And this is possible by the trust and faith in me, by purchasing this book, Truth Only Trumps, by playing the drama of Truth Only Trumps. You can purchase this book from me from the phone number 639736017, and you can call me on this phone number for the purchasing of this book. This book is trying to explain organized self-employment ministry and budget concept. The drama is trying to make us understand that the requirement of today is right of pension, fundamental right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget. We should be preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed, and we should have constitutional life between 0 to 18 if required, and 18 to 58 years for all. And this way, infinite population and infinite profession, infinite population and infinite profession will be organized, and fiscal credit will be giving to infinite population and infinite profession. Yes, it is possible by we, you all in our surrounding, our brother, our sister, our mother, our father, what work we are doing, that work will be constitutionally acknowledged, because the life is moving toward organized setup. We are living in the age of smartphone, Google, and the clear LED concept of vision. The democratic clear visuality can come from the document system, which I have tried to explain from my house. Room number 1, room number 2, room number 3, room number 4, room number 5, room number 6. From Saradapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 639736007, from where you can purchase this book. The clear vision of documents, the 12 Jyotirmandir of 6 Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti Jagdamba, each united and government dham. Annual budget 108 ministry we have from 1950. Railway budget 1 ministry we have seen. The organized self-employment ministry we can make by document signing, generating trust in me, Amit Kumar Jha. Automatically, that documents I will try to put in front of Parliament by your support, truth, non-violence, and automatically the work will generate from the blessing of the Parliament by passing the bill of organized self-employment ministry and budget. 750 MPs, 4,500 MLA and MLC, all will support us, because all want employment, all want that our country should be developed. There is no harm in not supporting. Everyone will support, because self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing per month is self-employment government job to all. We can get double salary, one optional salary from this organized self-employment ministry, because it will give little salary, but it will be constant 12 months throughout the life. It is based on the principle of politics and self-employment. The multinational corporation has rose to the height after 100 years and 150 years work. No multinational corporation has generated in one day or 2 days. They are just a type of whisper. In originality, they have generated by the 100 years and 150 years, 200 years even experience. Similarly, a political party's base is coming from 100 years. Similarly, this organized self-employment ministry, the concept base is from 1700, where Battle of Plassey in 1857, first revolt. This concept is organized concept, which is slowly you have to understand, and it will give employment to one and all. It is not like that, it is not possible. It is not new thing. By self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, we are becoming organized democratic citizen. Our political parties, brothers, our MPs, 750 MPs who are representing in Parliament, Vidhan Sabha, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and 4,500 Vidhan Sabha brothers and sisters who are representing in Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. The leader of Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad is Chief Minister, and the Lok Sabha is, Rajya Sabha is the Prime Minister. All will understand this is democratic work, the slow progress, and the salary is constant, because we will get a constant salary, fiscal credit salary, which is half pension, and we can do private work. I have tried to distribute it between 30,000 per month above earner and 30,000 per month below earner. 30,000 per month above earner is above 30% of the total earner in the country, and 70% is 30,000 per month below earner. This is constitutionally proved, because the income tax return, when we are filing, automatically there are two types of filing. One who is really earning above 30,000 per month earning, the income tax department understand, and those who are just filling the income tax form, because the earning is not up to that mark, regularized earning is not there, and job insecurity is there. In that circumstances, this organized self-employment ministry is the best fundamental democratic principle, which is providing a employment guaranteed scheme from Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 639736071. By purchasing this book and by understanding room number 1, room number 2, room number 3, room number 4, room number 5, room number 6, the concept, the rays which are going to Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and God and government, all are united in the concept of Amit Kumar Jha by the document system, and a democratic documented path is coming up. Like the annual budget is presented in the parliament, railway budget is presented in the parliament on 14th February and 15th February every year. Similarly, on 16th and 17th it can be presented in the parliament and Vidhan Sabha for the development of India, because the concept is for self-employment government generation. Automatically we are reaching to 110 to 130 crore population. The census of India has not counted, because it was due in 2020 because due to corona crisis. But if we will count, we have reached to 120 to 130 crore. India is a populous country. We require a employment uniform policy. right of pension, fundamental right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget, preamble-wise organized employed, preamble-wise organized self-employed, self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right. Automatically, this is self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing is fundamental right. I have tried to put in front of the Kailash Dham Mandir, that is Shiv Shakti Mandir, Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha Mandir, that is Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita Mandir, then Brahma Saraswati Mandir, the different books of Vivekananda, Rabindranath Tagore, great Hindu writers, Premchand, all in front of ISBN Brahma Saraswati Mandir. And then I have tried to put in front of Adi Shakti Jagdamba, the great ladies Sarojini Naidu, Annie Besant, Indira Gandhi, Sushma Swaraj, Pratibha Patil, these types of ladies. Durga Sapsina Bhagwan, 12 Jyotir Mandir of the Adi Shakti Jagdamba. And then I have to put in the front of the Varshkrit, each united Varshkrit God, the Hindu God and Goddess saviors who has saved us. Surya Adi Panchdevta, Navagrah, Dhanvantri, Kuber, Sanakadini Saptarshi, all types of God and Goddess. And in front of the Constitution of India, the Parliament, RBI, Bureaucracy, Army, Police, Secretariats. And I have tried to mix it into 16.66 into C. And by Amit Kumar Jha concept, the ray you can see to going to Kailash Dham, Vaikundam, Saddham, Adi Shakti Jagdamba, each united God. And then by documented path, it is coming to us. And automatically by signing that ray will enter into the Prime Minister office and the Chief Minister office. We will become the vote bank of the parliamentarian. An organized documented path will generate self-employment government job to one and all. The funding will be done from the Parliament of India, the Vidhan Sabha of India, because we are doing work in self-employment, self-earning, self-work showing, each and every one, if required from 0 to 18 days, so 0 to 18 years, and compulsory from 18 to 58 years. Automatically we will retire at 58 years. It is a simple method of understanding our concept. We have to understand that the work is required for one and all, the one who is grown up and the one who is coming up. The one who is at 18 years is also required to be dignified in their work because they are innocent, they are learning the work. And one he is 32 and 46 and 50 years who have experience of all types of work. Their work is also recognized. And I have tried to move in the fiscal credit tail. And the work is also seen. If you will see the documents from the work, it is seen one is work, one ray is coming of the politician and one ray is coming of the industries. One ray is coming of the lawyer and educationist, and one ray is coming of the family, the women of India, and one ray is coming from the truth, non-violence of India, those who are understanding, and those one ray is coming from the government. All this one ray, 6 ray, I have tried to accommodate in one by Amit Kumar Jha concept from Saradapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717 for purchasing this book Truth Only Terms, and playing this drama between 16 February to 26 February and 31st August to 11 September in 6 pair ideal. Automatically it will give a guaranteed employment throughout the life, and we will be attached with the Parliament of India and Vidhan Sabha, and we will not feel alone at all, because a high-fi society will automatically develop by the constitutional democratic setup, and industrial brothers and the ministerial brothers both can work together in the work by the documented system, and by the Rashtrapati Bhavan High and by the Governor House High. The house can be shifted from the Prime Minister office if we are connected to the central government, and to the from the Chief Minister office by the CMO if we are connected to the state government. And what will happen? We will be self-employed government servant. We will become vote bank of all the political parties, all the political party vote banks, and by documents they can easily catch us that this work we are doing, and they can also direct us in a organized manner as a big brother, as a senior member, as a senior parliamentarian. They can make us understand, they can counsel us, because they also want good person for their political development, and good person come from the educationist society, those who are learning, those who want to aspire high in a organized democratic manner. This document system is foolproof. which is in a democratic way. I have tried to represent. It is formed by me in 2001 on 31st August 2001, and then in 6 family unborn form I wrote on 16 February 2002. Therefore, to worship puja I celebrate so that the organized self-employment ministry can prosper and generate self-employment government job to all. Automatically, those who will be have trust and faith in me, truth only trumps, and the drama, those who will play, we can play the drama, the 12 Jyotirling drama, the 12 Jyotirling drama of Shiv Mandir, Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir, Brahma Saraswati Mandir, Adi Shakti Jagdamba Mandir, each united God and Goddess Mandir, government means. The 6 family drama into 12 into 6, 72, and automatically it will prosper our life, because we will become a organized citizen, we will become a organized constitutional citizen, and a organized constitutional path is always a developed path, and our vote bank can be easily seen from the book. And if we are putting the Aadhaar card, passport, PAN number, and the photo election ID card, and the marriage certificate, Mangal Sutra, 12 Banarsi Sari, 12 Dhoti, automatically what we are seeing, we are indulging the family affairs. We are all belonging from the good families. We have to understand the rays are from the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and government dham. We have to organize in the organized manner by documented system, and it will be looked from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I and from the Governor House I, and then we will sign it in the human limitation form in the house form, because we cannot control the rays of Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham, and the government dham, but by the truth and non-violence and by the documented form. What we are, we can easily make our biodata. Similarly, we can easily sign the thing we are, what we are earning. We are every year we are filling our income tax return, how much we are earning. Similarly, what we are working we can easily write, and on that basis only fiscal credit per month showing credit table is giving us the constitutional validity on one income, one educational faith, one certain fiscal credit showing fiscal credit table which I have made in organized self-employment ministry budget 14th session. I have tried to explain this concept so that we can generate trust, and this trust will generate a self-employment government job, and self-employment government job will automatically organize us. If we are all connected by our self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, and by the government policy if little support is coming, if 10 rupees per month support is coming 12 months and throughout the life, that means 10 rupees support means 120 rupees support, and with the government direct ministry connection, the ministerial benefit is also coming, like 10 paisa for pension, gratuity, provident fund. This will generate a organized preamble wise organized self-employed and preamble wise organized employed system, and that generation will give directly link to the parliament 750 MPs and 4500 MPs and MLAs. What will happen? The vote bank system will develop. Our senior will be our politicians, our MPs and MLAs, automatically they, and it is optional also. Those who are industrial, they can take it optional way, because the work is like freedom. In organized self-employment ministry, like home atmosphere, it is developed from the home. So like home atmosphere is there, a constitutional connection, like the Wi-Fi connection. One Wi-Fi connection is there, we are full supporting that Wi-Fi connection is there. One smartphone is there, we are thinking that Android smartphone or Apple phone, we are thinking that technology is with us. Similarly, this documented form of Shardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, in room number 1, room number 2, room number 3, room number 4, room number 5 and room number 6. It is unborn concept, a documented concept which is generating a self-employment government job. A organized setup is always beautiful because we are knowing each other. Wherever we will work in organized self-employment ministry and budget, all the employees are working forever, and we can self-transfer from Calcutta to Delhi, Delhi to Mumbai, Mumbai to Chennai, wherever we want, because it is self-employment swing. Of course, CMO and the PMO has the veto power, but they are also human being and we are also human. If we will work together, automatically it will be connected. The blessing of 750 MPs and the blessing of 4,500 Vidhan Sabha MLAs and MLCs will boost up if we will understand the trust generated by me, Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing. Organized self-employment ministry and budget is the self-employment government job to one and all. We will become two types of worker. We can work in the private sector. We are already working in the private sector, and this connection of direct ministry connection, direct budget connection will give little salary, but every month it will come, and it will generate a guarantee government self-employment government job. Optional work system. We can go to our ministry, because after doing PhD we never go to the college if we are not professor, if we are not teacher, we are not going to schools and colleges. But by organized self-employment ministry, we will go with our time, because whatever age we are, if we are 32 years, if we are 18 years, if we are 46 years, if we are 58 years, we are posted in that age group. Automatically similar age group have similar understanding, because the responsibility of the 46-year person is same, almost little bit difference, but almost same. 32 years person, almost responsibility is same. Some are unmarried, some are going to be married. So everyone 58-year people has the same responsibility, because they are approaching towards the retirement. After retirement, person has the same responsibility. That we have to understand. The organized self-employment ministry is a documented system. It is a guaranteed system by me, which is trying to develop a self-employment government job system. Optional way. We have to understand, like Wi-Fi connection, by the document connection. We are purchasing any plot or land or any houses. We are making document. Here we are documented our self-employment. What work we are doing, what imagination we have, according to that the income, work and educational certificate has been given validity by the trust, faith and the raise, 6 raise which I have tried to generate for the self-employment government job. That and the trust which by you will give me by purchasing this book and understanding and playing this drama between 16 February to 26 February in the 6 family firms: Shiv Shakti, Welfare Power, Vishnu Lakshmi, Live Money, Brahma Saraswati, Law Education, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba, Non-Veto Husband, Family and Non-Veto Husband, and each united Varshkat, God and Goddess, and Government, all in the 6th form, and then unitedly playing this drama for the 16.66 into 6, 100% vote. Automatically all political party members can play together individually according to their connections all over India, and this will generate a national feeling, a national oneness. The books of Rabindranath Tagore, which has got Nobel Prize, the work of Dr. Raman, which has got Nobel Prize, many of the Indian writers, Premchand book, The Life of India, means all these things, Vivekanand work, writings, the speech of Vivekanand 1893 in Religion Congress of Chicago, the Dayanand Saraswati work, the different types of schools and colleges which has been named on his work. All these ISBN form we are trying to indulge in ourselves, and we are generating organized self-employment ministry and budget, which is giving self-employment government job. Little salary we will move. We have finance commission. By this self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month showing finance commission we will also develop. And what will happen? A covering will be given. We will become organized employed and organized self-employed. The person which we will see, that is also self-employed government servant, and we are also self-employed. We will keep the difference between 30,000 above and 30,000 below, because 70% of the people are 30,000 below. We have to understand organized self-employment ministry. We have to stand together with Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407. We have to purchase this book 6397360717, truth only terms from me, and We have to read it and play this drama nationally, regional wise, state wise, nukkar wise, and we have to understand organized self-employment ministry, self-employment government job is a requirement of today. Automatically trust will generate 750 MPs and 4500 MLA and MLC, all will support us. Come together, join organized self-employment ministry, purchase 2000 liter. Thank you.